Hello everyone, Sunny is here. Long time no see. How's your quarantine time going on? I hope you're enjoying that next to your family and friends. I'm going to teach you different tenses in English. And today we're going to learn how and where to use present simple. I'm sure most of you guys know how to use it in your conversation and writing. Today we're going to have a very quick review of whatever we know.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
For making present simple, we need a recipe. So our food recipe is like this. As you can see, we need a subject, like what? Like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, my brother, my sister, Lucy, Jack, Jason, my dog, my cat, plus a very simple verb. You know, a verb which has got a simple form. I have categorized the subject into two parts. The first part, as you can see, includes I, we, you, and they. When I use these simple subjects, I need a simple verb as well. For example, I like big cities. We do a lot of different things. You work so hard. They drink strong tea every morning. How about our next category of subjects? As you can see here, we have got he, she, it, my brother, Lucy, and whatever that we can call it, it, he, or she. Whenever these subjects come with a verb, the verb gets pregnant. What does that mean? It means it gets a belly. And what is that belly? That belly is S. So whenever you see he, she, it, my brother, my sister, Lucy, Jack, whatever subject that we can use he or she or it instead, we need to bring a verb with S. In, of course, present simple tense. For example, he reads short stories. She has a shower every day. It rains a lot in winter. My brother has dinner at 8:30 p.m. Lucy visits her parents on weekend. So as you can see here, all of these verbs got S, right? Okay.
I wake up in the morning, I get up, I'm still yawning. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I get dressed and pray on my knees. I do these things, hey, I do these every day. I go to school by bus. I sit for hours in class. I play tennis in the afternoon. On my way home I sing this tune. I do these things, hey, hey, I do them every day. I watch TV and chat on the internet, and then it's time to go to bed. I'm tired and I read. After a while I fall asleep. I do these things, hey, hey, I do them every day. I do these things, hey, hey, I do them every day. I do them every day.
How about this part? In this part, I have written some common frequency expressions for you. So what are common frequency expressions? Frequency expressions are used normally with different tenses, especially with present simple tense. How can we use them? For example, the first one, every, like every morning, every afternoon, every day, every week, every month, every year, every summer, or every winter. For example, every day I go to school by bus. Next one is on or in. For example, on Sundays, on Fridays, on weekends. On weekends, my family and I go to park. In spring, in the summer, or in winter. In winter, we go ice skating. Once means one time. Twice means two times. Once a day, twice a day. Once a week, once a month, once a year. For example, once a year, I visit one of my distant families. We have some other frequency expressions. Each and every one has got power, right? For example, always has got 100% power. Means it happens always, happens every day, it happens maybe every week, right? For example, always, like I always get to work early, right? So usually 90%, generally 80%, often 75%, sometimes 50%, occasionally 25%, seldom 10%, rarely 5%, hardly ever 2%, and never 0%. So as you can see, each and every one of them has got power. For example, concerning always, I could say, Sue always gets to work early. Or I could say, I never eat breakfast. Or I could say, we often go away at weekends. Or I could say, Mark usually plays football on Sundays. Or I sometimes walk to work, but not very often. So as you can see, the power of each and every frequency expression that we have here. Guys, good jobs. You put in a lot of practice today, so be sure to check out my other videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. So I will see you next time. Take a lot of care. Cheers.